We will learn a new topic, period. There are four types of period. First is ones, second is thousands, third is lakhs, and the fourth is crores. So there are the four types of period. First is ones, second period is thousands period, third period is lakhs period, fourth period is crores period. Now these four places are called the houses of the places. These periods are also called the houses of the places. Now these four periods are further divided into subgroups which are called places. So the first period is a ones period, and ones period consists of three places, that is ones, tens and hundreds. Now the second period is this was the first period, and second period is thousands period. And thousand periods is grouped into two parts. First is the thousands and 10,000s. And the third period is a lakhs period. Lakhs period consists of two places. First is lakhs and second is 10 lakhs. Fourth period is crores period, which is consist of two places. First is crores and 10 crores. Now here you can see that ones, thousands, lakhs, crore, these are the periods, and periods consist of places, and these are called places. Now we will write periods and places from right to left, means from smaller value to bigger value, which are increasing 10 times from ones to crores. Now we will make a place value chart to place the periods and places, which helps to read and write the large numbers. Let's make a chart. So first we will place while you are writing the periods or places, we always starts from right to left. So we will write the ones period first, moving from right to left. Then we will write the second period, thousands. Then third period, lakhs. Then the fourth period is crores period. Here ones period, as you can see that ones period was further divided into groups. So it consists of the three places, that is first is the ones place, second is the tens place and hundred place. Now we are going to place these places into a ones period. So we will write ones place in the last column of the ones period. Now the second is a tens place. We are going to place in the ones period again, and the hundreds. Now as you can see that I have started from the ones place, because we are writing the numbers from smaller to bigger. As we are moving from ones, then thousands, then lakhs, then crores, means we are moving from smaller to bigger values, moving from right to left, right? So now we will place the places of thousands and 10,000 in a thousands period. So it is further divided into two places. So we will make two columns of thousands period. First is a thousands and second is a 10,000. I am writing TTH, which means 10,000s. Similarly, we will further divide the period of lakhs in two. Then we will make two columns of lakhs and crores also. Now you can see that in the lakhs periods we have written the places of lakhs and 10 lakhs. Now we are going to place these two places in a lakhs period. So first is a lakhs. and second is 10 lakh. I am writing TL for 10 lakhs. So next last period is a crore periods, and now we are going to place these two places in a crores period. That is C stands for crore and TC means 10 crore. So this is a place value chart. Now we can write a large number on this place value chart according to their positions. Now let's take an example from the book. This is an exercise 1.3, page number 15. So let's discuss this question 5. Write the period and place for the underlined bold digits. And I am going to solve the first part of the exercise 1.3. It is 40528 and underlined bold digit is 5. So it means that we have to write the period and place for the underlined digit 5. So first of all, let's place this number on a place value chart, starting from right to left. So our example is 40528. So 5 is a underlined digits. I am going to underline this digit 5. So first we will place the digit 8 from right to left, means from ones to crores, means from smaller value to bigger value. Now we are going to place the digit 8 in a ones period of the last column of the ones period, and the last column is a ones period, ones. So we will write 8 at ones place, and the second last digit is 2, and we are going to place the digit 2